In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send leads to Pipedrive. We're going to keep this really simple and focus on the quickest way to add a new lead into your Pipedrive account using the manual quick add option. This is perfect when you're talking to someone on the phone, you meet a prospect in person, or you just got an email and you want to capture that information right away before you forget. First, look at the very top of your Pipedrive screen. In the main navigation bar, you'll see a small plus icon. This is your shortcut for adding new items to your account. Go ahead and click that plus icon. Whenever you need to add something on the fly, this is usually the fastest place to start. After you click the plus icon, a small menu will appear with different options of what you can create. From that list, choose lead. Make sure you're selecting lead and not deal or any other option, because leads are designed to capture prospects who are not yet in your main pipeline. This helps you keep your pipeline clean and organized, and only move people over when they're ready. Once you select lead, a form will open where you can enter the contact's details. Take a moment here to fill in as much useful information as you have. At a minimum, you'll usually want their name and at least one way to contact them, such as an email address or phone number. If you know their company name, add that too, as it will make it easier to track all contacts related to that organization later on. If there's a notes or description field, use it to capture any context that might help you or your team in the future. For example, you might jot down where the lead came from, what they're interested in, or any key points from your first conversation. Even a short note can save you time when you follow up later. Before you finish, quickly review what you've entered to make sure there are no typos in the email or phone number. Small mistakes here can make it hard to reach the person later, so it's worth an extra second to double check. When you're happy with the information, click Save. As soon as you do that, your new lead is successfully added to Pipedrive and ready for you to follow up, nurture, and eventually convert into a deal. That's all there is to it. Click the plus icon, select lead, fill in the details, and save.